Once upon a time, in a vast, lush forest, lived a gentle elephant. He was a friendly soul, but he was also very lonely and longed for a friend to share his days with. As he wandered through the trees, he saw a monkey swinging playfully from branch to branch. The elephant's heart filled with hope. "Hello there," he called out. "Will you be my friend?" The monkey paused, looked the elephant up and down, and replied, You're far too big. You can't swing through the trees with me. I can't be your friend." And with a flick of his tail, the monkey swung away. Feeling a bit sad, the elephant continued his walk. Soon he spotted a small rabbit nibbling on some clover near its burrow. "Excuse me, Mr. Rabbit," said the elephant politely. "Would you like to be my friend?" The rabbit twitched its nose and said, "Oh my, you're much too big to fit inside my cozy burrow. I'm sorry, but we can't be friends." The elephant's shoulders slumped, but he didn't give up. A little further on, he saw a frog by a pond getting ready to leap. "Hello, frog," the elephant called. "Will you be my friend?" The frog croaked, "You're so big and heavy. You can't possibly jump like me. I don't think we can be friends." The elephant's heart grew heavier with each rejection. He even asked a clever fox, who simply shook his head and said, "You are just too big." Feeling utterly dejected, the elephant slowly walked back home, all alone. The next morning, a terrible commotion woke him up. Loud screams and panicked cries filled the air. The elephant rushed outside to see all the forest animals running for their lives, their faces filled with terror. He managed to stop a passing bear. "What's happening? Why is everyone so scared?" he asked. The bear panted, "A tiger. A fierce tiger is attacking everyone." Without a second thought, the elephant knew he had to help. He bravely marched toward the sound of the chaos and found the tiger cornering the smaller animals. "Please, sir," the elephant pleaded, "leave my friends alone. Don't hurt them." The tiger just laughed cruelly. "Your friends? Mind your own business, big guy." But the elephant stood his ground. He knew talking wouldn't work. Gathering all his strength, he gave the tiger a powerful kick that sent him flying. The tiger, shocked and scared, scrambled to his feet and ran away, disappearing deep into the forest. A hush fell over the clearing. The animals slowly came out of their hiding spots, looking at the elephant with awe and gratitude. The same monkey who had rejected him swung down from a tree. "You were so brave," he chattered. The rabbit hopped closer. "You saved us all," he exclaimed. The frog and the fox nodded in agreement. They realized their mistake. They had only seen the elephant's size, but they hadn't seen the size of his brave and kind heart. From that day forward, the elephant was never lonely again. He had more friends than he could count, and everyone in the forest learned that true friendship comes in all shapes and sizes. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more stories.